with Alpha?
Yeah, so you can just put this way. There's a little A pointing. I can see the A over there.
Are you okay to close out your car license?
I could close automatically after you landed and now you're swapping vehicle.
Roger that, thank you. Salinas Tower, Cessna 5499 Quebec, holding short runway 13 Alpha, ready for departure, left downwind departure.
Cessna 5499 Quebec, Salinas Tower, hold short runway 13, landing traffic.
Holding short, runway 13, 549.
Cessna 456, previous golf traffic is at 12 o'clock, but 2 miles from right to left.
No, it is crazy the golf course here, huh?
Yeah. If they hit us with those balls, it's gonna be.
Because I've only landed on runway 31. Or yeah, 31. That's what the opposite is, right? Yeah, 31.
Yeah.
So I've only like taken off, but like when you're coming in, kind of low, I'm like, yo, some people can drive like. We're not that high. We're only a few hundred feet. Especially for the short field, huh?
Yeah, it's even here, they can actually, and the golf course is right next to us.
Oh, dude, I can like throw a ball in the hole right here.
Yeah. You see it? You see the flag? It's just right next to us.
I know. Only like 80 yards away.
Yeah.
Cessna 909 Quebec, traffic on the uplands is Cessna in the left closed traffic pattern. Runway 13 clear for takeoff.
Runway 13 clear for takeoff and then left close
Downwind
departure 549 Quebec, thank you. This is a short field takeoff, right?
Short field, yep. Oh, we use the whole runway. Feet on the brakes, full power. And
final is clear.
What do we need to do right now by looking at our setup?
This one.
There we go. I always wanted to take off with the lean mixture, man. You love a lean mixture.
I always actually repeat light camera action when I'm home, but I don't know. I forget it in the action.
I forget the action. Alright, cool. So let's go full brake.
Salinas Tower, Warrior 41459
Okay,
is holding
runway
short.
heading 13 on that, and full power. Gauges are green, and release the brake.
Warrior 41459 or Salinas Tower, runway 13.
Airspeed is coming alive, gauges are still green, 40, 45, rotate.
I have like a straight out departure, please, Warrior 459.
Climb at 55, right?
Yeah. This one is the one that has the nose down tendency.
Yeah.
Or wait, Lima Bravo, continue on the down.
50 feet over, so we transition to VY.
So should we take the coastal route or just the same route that we came in?
How many miles was the coastal route?
71.
70, so it's like 10 extra, or like 9 extra, right? Yeah, let's do it.
Cessna 99 Quebec, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, Cessna 549 Quebec, thank you. NorCal approach, Cessna 549 Quebec, VFR request.
Good morning.
Am I on the wrong frequency? 1330. Or we are too low.
That could be it. Try it again.
NorCal approach, Cessna 5499 Quebec, requesting VFR request.
Requesting the VFR request.
I can't even English. I guess we are too low. Or the frequency is not...
That's weird, dude. We're at 2,700.
Should I change to 127.15, which we had before?
Yeah, you might as well try it. I'll be looking for traffic. Good on my side.
Hello, it's 992, contact approach 124.
There we go.
124.8, public speed.
NorCal approach, Cessna 5499 Quebec, DFR request.
Aircraft question flight following, say again.
Cessna 549 Quebec, 3000, approaching Moss Landing, and we would like to have flight following.
499 Quebec, say destination.
Sierra Quebec, Lima, 549 Quebec.
Number 5499 Quebec, NorCal approach. The Salinas altimeter 3014, squawk 5342. Please up aircraft.
5342, it's Cessna 152, slight uniform.
5342 for a squawk, and Cessna 152, slang uniform, 5499 Quebec.
Southwest 4955, contact approach 120.1.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, that 2 was taking forever, huh?
Yeah, I had to double tap it. This one actually has a bad history about the transponder.
Oh, was that this one?
Yeah.
That's right, like 4 months ago, right?
Yep.
Yeah, that's right. That was right when I got here.
Number 09 Lima, roger. Bonanza 09 Lima, roger.
Once we were going to...
216, contact approach 120.95.
Once we were going to Oakland,
Get 148.
for touch and goes,
Salinas altimeter 30.
and we took off,
3014.
and they told us that the transponder is fixed.
We're going to maintain 8,000.
After we took off, Oakland said that your transponder is not transmitting altitude.
Yeah.
Then we just came back and landed.
Yeah.
I get that 148 NorCal approach. Affirmative, Salinas altimeter 3014.
Or whatever your point was, right?
For your descent and sequence. And maintain 8,000.
And then what are you going to fly after Moss Landing?
Thank you.
After Moss Landing will be this waypoint next to Santa Cruz. The waypoint is Santee.
So you have a GPS waypoint?
That is GPS?
Thank you.
Wait, oh, Santee?
Here, descend via the Razor 4.
Yeah.
Thank you. Traffic passing off your backside and additional traffic at your 10 o'clock and 5 miles. It's a Global Express at 19 descending. They'll come behind you.
Should we go 4,500 or just
4,500.
Yeah. 8 Mike Mike, NorCal approach. Salinas altimeter 3014. It'll be just a little bit before you get your
if we go all the way to 6,500, we will never reach there.
04 NorCal approach. Salinas altimeter 3014. We're just speed at 250.
Man, this guy's busy. He didn't even tell us he has radar contact on us.
Yep.
Cessna 99 Quebec, radar contact 8 miles south of Watsonville Airport.
Roger, 99 Quebec.
Roger that, 549 Quebec.
Number 99 Quebec, is the plan to go via the shoreline all the way to San Carlos or going up the mountains?
Shoreline affirmative.
Shoreline, that's affirmative, 549 Quebec.
Roger. Southwest 4955, contact approach 120.1. November 2 Sierra traffic, 3 o'clock.
I did. So what's your heading right now?
My heading will be 289.
20.1, continue to send via the Razor 4.
And how long is it going to take us?
That's gonna take us, I didn't calculate these.
Oh.
Jet 140.
Crumble this one again.
New initial heading at 320.
2 flight plans, just. What I want you to do, it sucks because we only have one nav. Intercept this, okay.
Jet 104, turn left, direct to Apple.
Go a little bit more to the left.
Arrival.
Because we're the circle, right? Yeah. We're going to go to the needle.
All right, 8 Mike Mike, just got another 5-6 miles or so. Traffic's 12 o'clock and 10 miles opposite direction at Gulfstream 5, descending to 9,000.
Once it goes to the middle.
Jet 104,
And this one's kind of like.
Internal B, 12 to 1 o'clock, 8 miles southeast, bound to Skyhawk low at 8,000. Southwest 1017, our approach, lane altimeter 3014, you have information Alpha at Oakland.
So once it centers, you fly 293, right? Oh, I hate this VOR receiver.
Jet 104, thank you for your help. Contact approach 120.1.
Because we kind of have to crap, but we know that this is actually a pretty good heading, okay? There's probably some wind. So let's maintain this heading for now. You've intercepted it.
1017, our approach, thank you for coming on. Lane altimeter 3014, you can contact approach now.
That intersection is coming off of
November 926, Echo Tango, our approach, lane altimeter 3014.
Woodside VOR.
Yes.
Right? And it's the 141 radial?
Yes, 141.
All right, so let's tune into Woodside, okay? I can't believe you use this as a freaking waypoint with one VOR receiver. You like working hard, don't you?
November 9er Bravo Golf, contact approach on 120.95.
Alright, so you got 117.3. So we want 113.9. So go ahead and
9er Bravo Golf.
put that in here. Code an idea, right?
November 9er Bravo Golf, contact approach 120.95.
Okay. Alright, now put
141 will be actually
exactly the opposite, right?
yes. 140.
Delta, can you hear 9er Bravo Golf?
1.
Can you tell them to contact approach, 9er Bravo Golf, contact approach 120.95.
Like that.
There you go. So you're flying this heading.
Yeah.
Right? And so right when that goes in the middle, you know you're going to be at, what'd you put, what is it?
Sandy.
At Sandy?
Appreciate it, Delta, thank you.
Alright, cool. So once that
Appreciate it,
centers, we
Delta.
should be over Sandy, right?
Okay.
09er Lima traffic, 11
So
o'clock.
if I were to
2 miles,
send
maneuvering
you on a
south
solo
and
cross
east on that.
country, do you think you'd be able to get there by yourself? Easy?
I think, yeah.
Okay, because we're going to do a night one where we're going to go there again.
09er Lima, target's likely an emergency.
I kind of want you taking in all the terrain and knowing where you are, right?
Yeah, in terms of terrain and being familiar with the area, I think I feel comfortable.
Yeah, because I mean, Santa Cruz, easy. The coast is easy. Moss Landing, very easy, right? And then it's just going from Moss Landing or whatever you choose and finding where that airport is. We know right where the city kind of stops.
Yeah.
That's where it should be.
Yeah. So that one center, we are above Sandy, I guess.
Oh, nice.
Position,
Nice.
5 miles east of your location, northwest town of
Let's see.
Florida, 16.
Wait, go on, Roger. When I jumpers away, I'll turn.
Not bad, huh?
Yeah, northwest.
Cool. And what's your next point?
3 Julie Delta
Next point will be that airport, Las Trancas, or Chavez.
Oh, you used it, huh?
Yeah.
What heading?
The heading is 281.
281?
Lima, contact
We are maintaining the same heading.
Go.
But I always knew, like, even in private, how to do the flight plan. Like, I knew, like, how to fill out the sheet and what I needed to do. We just never did it.
Yeah. And I did this 6 in the morning.
It's more.
And it's just useless.
Yeah. Hey, for the check ride, man.
Yeah.
It's just for the check ride, you know. You gotta know the old school before the new school.
Yeah.
Cessna 99 Quebec, contact approach 133.905.
133.905, 549 Quebec, thank you. NorCal approach, Cessna 549 Quebec, 4,500 approaching, VFR Waypoint, Chavez.
Number 549 Quebec, NorCal, San Francisco, altimeter 3011, advising you have X-ray, San Carlos.
We'll advise them you have that information for 549 Quebec, thank you.
And in the future, you don't gotta tell them where you are.
Okay.
Just let them know your altitude.
Yeah, they don't contact there, they know where we are.
Yeah, that's the idea. So you can just say level 4,500 when you check it in. It just,
Okay.
even though they should know our altitude, that's kind of how most people check in.
Yeah. So we are still actually, it should be now on our left.
Yeah, I'm gonna give you like a little. Nothing?
Yeah, it's this one.
You got it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do a quick steep turn. I want to see.
Where is it, dude? Right off, it's gonna be over here.
Oh, with
Right
those X's?
Yeah, X's.
Say again? This is a 549er Quebec. Was just doing a right 360 to get a quick viewpoint. Now we're heading just up the coastline again.
Transport number 99 Quebec, 12 o'clock, 1 mile, northwestbound out indicating 4,500.
Looking 99 Quebec.
Number 99 Quebec, that traffic's about NorCal approach 3 and 335 Sierra Foxtrot, northwestbound 3,200, VFR Half Moon Bay.
Somebody has stepped on it.
57 Papa Echo NorCal approach, roger, maintain VFR, San Francisco, altimeter 301.
Someone's at our level, bro.
Altimeter 3013. Number 99 Quebec, did you copy the last traffic call?
We still got negative contact 99 Quebec.
Number 99 Quebec, roger, they're currently at your 6 o'clock, 1 mile, same direction, altimeter indicating 4,000.
I have inside.
Inside 99 Quebec.
Number 99 Quebec, roger. Number 99 Quebec, traffic 12 o'clock, 3 miles, southeastbound out indicating 2,900.
Looking for that traffic, 549 Quebec.
Number 99 Quebec, traffic now 12 o'clock, 2 miles, southeastbound obstruction out indicating 2,900.
We are still looking for that traffic, 549 Quebec.
Number 99 Quebec, traffic no fact, additional traffic 12 o'clock, 4 miles, southeastbound out indicating 5,600.
Looking for the second traffic, and the first traffic is no factor, 549.
Switch.
Number 99 Quebec, traffic no factor.
No factor.
No factor, 549 Quebec, thank you.
NorCal, 549 Quebec is going to momentarily switch frequencies to grab that data. We'll be back in a sec.
99 Quebec, through this buses.
Alright, let's go ahead and get the ATIS.
It's gonna be probably hard to hear the ATIS 125.
Oh, we might still be.
NorCal approach, Cessna 549 Quebec. We have X-ray from San Carlos.
5 Sierra Foxtrot, we have the traffic.
Ooh.
5 Sierra Foxtrot, roger.
I don't like to be gone from home.
VFR aircraft con from San Carlos again.
We have their information, X-ray for San Carlos, 549 Quebec.
Number 99 Quebec, roger.
They are 1,000 below us, right?
Yeah.
NorCal approach, Cessna 549 Quebec, request to descend to 3,500.
Number 99 Quebec, please request there's traffic currently at your 11 o'clock, 5 miles, Orbiting in that vicinity, altitude indicating 3,400, and another one in that same spot, altitude indicating 3,200.
We have one traffic inside and we will look for the other traffic, Cessna 549.
Number 99 Quebec, how much longer before you make your turn towards San Carlos?
10 minutes.
We'll be turning momentarily towards.
Number 5499 Quebec, NorCal.
We will be turning momentarily to
Direct.
Crystal Spring and direct to San Carlos 549 Quebec.
99 Quebec, roger.
The guy is like, is your aircraft moving?
Top 2506, contact search on 135.65, good day. 99 Quebec, are you heading towards San Carlos Airport yet?
Yep, that's affirmative, 549 Quebec.
99 Quebec, roger, and you have the ATIS for San Carlos?
We have X-ray for San Carlos, 549 Quebec.
99 Quebec, roger, and San Carlos Airport, 12 o'clock, 5 miles?
We have it inside, 549 Quebec.
99 Quebec, roger.
Yeah, it's 12 o'clock, huh? So slack. Let's go land this slack.
287301, heavy NorCal approach. Expect ILS runway 28 left approach.
Expect runway 28 left approach, China Eastern 7301.
Number 99 Quebec, contact San Carlos Tower 119.0.
119.0, 549 Quebec, thank you.
Trainer Z2530, fly hang 14.
San Carlos Tower, Cessna 549 Quebec, over Crystal Spring, 2,700 inbound for full stop with X-ray.
9 Quebec, San Carlos Tower, report 3 mile final, straight approach, runway 30.
Straight in, report 3 miles final, 549 Quebec.
Nine Quebec, runway 30, clear to land.
Runway 30, clear to land, 549 Quebec, thank you.
Yeah, go ahead, slip it in just for like a few seconds. Pretty good slip, man. You're doing good.
Thank you.
That was smooth. Nice. Back on course, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, this is stuck.
I guess just the indicator is not showing.
Yeah, it looks like that's 30 degrees, yeah. Alright, soft field, okay?
Okay.
I don't want to be able to feel anything. Land in the wheelie, right? Alright.
656,
Keep those swaps in.
Coming 3011.
3011,
Don't let that nose touch.
I'm sorry, 65, keep it off your left, and once you're midfield airport, you can contact up at 18.6. Skyhawk 610 to Papa, on TJ for the option.
Clear to the option, 610 to Papa.
Skyhawk 610, out of here.
Love you, 670.
Alright, 658, keep the airport in the 101 to your left,
Airport at 101 to our left, and then we'll contact 118.6.
Alright, just be advised, your radio's coming very, a lot of static.
Nice, dude. Nice. Fabulous. Alright, nose down.
Takeoff Tower, Skyhawk 600, your radio check now.
Yeah, you're good.
It's still static, but a lot clearer.
Roger.
Cessna, 9 Quebec, taxi parking.
Taxi parking at Charlie Lima to FlyBayArea and 549.
That was a good one, huh?
Thank you.
Nice, dude.
Did you spill anything?
No, dude, nah. Nothing spilled. I'm still asleep. No coffee stains.
Right there.